Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. Hello my all viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Everybody watching me from Pakistan, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Malaysia and all over the world. Thank you so much for being on my video and happy Ramadan to all. So today we are drawing a simple beginner's easiest scenery. I'm using a 2HP pencil and a simple scale. You can use anything, any stuff you have available at home. So first of all, I've drawn a straight line and on the top of that line I'm drawing a house just like this, and drawing another adjacent house just right to that house, similar, just like this, drawing windows and doors in it. These are beginners drawings, so everybody can draw it very easily. And don't forget to comment on my video. Do comment and tell me your opinion about my drawings, and if you have any suggestions, I'll surely act upon it and give response to your comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked. So I have drawn mountain on the back and drawing some trees at the side of the houses. At the right side one tree and on the left side another tree. Now drawing some mountains behind that tree and drawing a sun using a sellotape. Now drawing a path heading towards the ground from that house and drawing some grass. So Allah Hafiz.